Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0665S in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a gold Gucci logo on the side of the temples. This frame is made in Italy. And the lenses are gray color. It has the Gucci logo engraved on the right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.